are being asked to find the differential for the function, and we talked about what that differential means in class, but that is defined as f prime of x times dx. And please do remember, if you have two or more terms, you must use parentheses around f prime of x, because all of f prime of x needs to get multiplied by dx. All right, so to take our differential here, we're just going to say dy is equal to 12x to the third plus 2x minus 2. And because the derivative has more than two terms, we put parentheses around that and then times it by dx. And that is our differential. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. The thing that you have to know though is you have to know this formula. And remember, we talked about in class that formula comes straight from dy over dx is equal to f prime of x. You just multiply both sides by dx and you get dy is equal to f prime of x dx. Okay, so knowing that formula, let's look at number 69 here and see what we can do to find that differential. Now you'll notice for question number 69, it's a little different here though, because you have a variable times a variable. So this is going to require the product rule to find our differential. So we'll have our first function is x, second function cosine x. First function's derivative is 1, second function's derivative is negative sine x. So our dy is equal to f prime of x dx. So dy is equal to, now my f prime of x is going to be cosine x times 1. And then when I do this diagonal, I'm going to have an x times a negative, so that gives us negative x sine x. And because our derivative is two terms, we put parentheses around that and then multiply by dx. And that is our differential.